Alright, this is the finished closet area. This is right, just walk right onto it. Of course we got the studs up. No, it's dark. We have the garage doors down. But that's the laundry room closet, and here's the architect and construction man. And then you guys have already seen the pantry. You can see the footprint of the old closet. Made it nice and big. Nice and big now. Of course it's framed up just to go and have drywall in it there. Then we've got most of the painting finished here. This is the new colors, Sanibel gray on the walls and sailcloth on the ceiling, so it's actually kind of a gray blue, almost a baby blue gray on the walls, and then pretty much a white on the ceilings. But we really like it. It's really light up here now and just looks really good. So, not sure if you guys can tell the difference in the color, but it's the Sanibel gray from here down, and then sailcloth from this and the ceiling. So it's white up here, and then a little kind of baby blue gray down here. But it looks really nice. We like it a lot. We just got finished painting it. Everyone's downstairs kind of recovering from looking up and painting the ceilings. So, of course, Buddha's eating here. But tomorrow we're going to paint the trim around the baseboards and the doors and things like that. We've got some white for that, so that has been today's project. Mom and Tom's anniversary, 5th anniversary, was spent painting this, basically. While Tom spent it painting this and doing construction. Mom still had to do schoolwork, so unfortunately they weren't able to be together today.